WOLFSPEED's KIT-CRD-3DD065P Buck Boost Evaluation Kit demonstrates the switching and thermal performance of 650-volt silicon carbide C3M MOSFETs configured in a half-bridge topology. The C3M MOSFETs are housed in the TO-247-4L package that comes with an added Kelvin source pin that allows for more voltage to be applied to the gate and source without negatively impacting the gate drive signals. As a result, the turn-on is not slowed down by a voltage drop due to the rising source current. This often provides a significant reduction in turn-on loss. The evaluation kit also accepts the traditional TO-247-3 without the need for additional adapters. The half-bridge configuration comes with an option of adding a MOSFET or diode in the upper and lower positions, allowing the evaluation board to be configured in common power conversion topologies. To reduce power loss, WOLFSPEED's Buck Boost Evaluation Kit comes with a low-loss inductor made of sendust material.